Welcome to the video.
Today we're making... What are we gonna make today, Hank?
We're gonna make a
Elephant toothpaste. Things you will need to make elephant toothpaste is some dishwashing soap, some yeast, food coloring,
what?
hydrogen peroxide from a salon, a bottle, a bowl, a funnel, a teaspoon, a tablespoon, and a half cup measuring cup. And then something for it to put in, a pan. We're gonna make our recipe bigger than the normal, so we got a bigger container to put it in so it doesn't make a mess. All right, you guys ready to make this?
Yes. Elephant toothpaste.
Elephant toothpaste. Okay, first thing you'll need is some warm water, 2 tablespoons, or unless you're tripling your batch like we are, 6 tablespoons. The next thing you'll need is 1 teaspoon of yeast, but we are tripling it, so we're gonna put in 3 teaspoons of yeast.
Yeah. Whoa.
And then you're gonna watch for it to start bubbling in there. So mix it up,
Let's see.
and then you're gonna wait for it to start bubbling. Okay, so stir that till it dissolves. And then watch for it to start bubbling. Okay, while you're waiting for your yeast to activate, you're gonna take your hydrogen peroxide in half a cup, and you're gonna measure it out, and then you're gonna pour it into your bottle using a funnel. Again, we're tripling our batch, so we're gonna do that 3 times.
Let's go to half.
Again, this is salon product. 6% solution, 20 volume cream, hydrogen peroxide, not your first aid kit hydrogen peroxide.
Let's go on.
While you're waiting on your yeast, you can add your food coloring. We have chosen the color green, huh? So we're gonna drop in our food coloring.
What's going to happen? Yes.
We're gonna make it really green.
Wow.
Okay, and then you also need to put a squirt of dish soap in there.
Wow. Look at this soap.
Okay, so we got our dish soap in there.
Oh, what's going to happen?
Okay, we're gonna give that a little swirl here, mix it all up good. Now it looks like green slime. Ew! Ew, green slime. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Should we add the yeast to our mixture and see what's gonna happen?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Let's put our funnel in. Let's hope this works. Wow! It's oozing out everywhere.
It's rock.
Whoa!
It's melting.
Wow, is that cool?
Yes. It's one.
Look at it pouring out like crazy.
It was about one.
Whoa!
It was about one. What?
Woohoo! Here comes some more.
Stop it.
Wow! Is that super cool?
Whoa, it's getting bigger.
It's getting bigger?
Yes.
Oh wow, it just keeps coming out.
Get one.
All right, we put the cap on. We're gonna take the cap off and see what happens. All right, you guys ready to see what happens when we shake it up really good?
Yes.
Ow! It exploded all over Mom!
That's me.
What a mess! Was that crazy?
Yes.
It's all over me and my hair and my face. Oh no! It exploded everywhere. Wow, was that awesome?
Yes, it was my finger.
Guys, it exploded everywhere all over our table.
What?
Was that fun?
Yes. Keep watching.
Say we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
If you want to make your own elephant toothpaste, make sure that you look in the description. We will have the information for the recipe in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share with friends to make this awesome elephant toothpaste. If you try it, let us know how it goes.